Hey guys, Tim here with EverVenture Custom, and today we are on top of Lookout Mountain in downtown Denver, in the background right there. So we're going to show you this 2008 Chevy Suburban and dive into the build here and show you guys what we did. First thing you need to know about this vehicle is that it belongs to a White River rafting guide, and she's going to be taking this vehicle out to various rivers around Colorado and Wyoming, Montana. And she wanted a vehicle that she can kind of sleep in, put all her stuff in for camping. She can cook from it, and she can also, travel with various people. She has like 5 seats up there still. So that's kind of where she kind of came from on this build, and we wanted to accommodate her and make sure we had everything, all the features that she wanted in here. So let's take a look a little deeper at each feature throughout this build. So we're back here with the 3 seats behind the driver and passenger seat. As you can see, we kept all 3 seats, so this thing can hold 5 people, no problem. And we'll show you the floor that we did underneath here. It's a nice LVP floor. So let's go ahead and get this chair out of the way, and we'll show you that floor. See what we got here. So this is all an LVP floor. This is completely waterproof. We made these little things just to kind of flush it out, so you're not like having these clips and losing stuff down there. So this thing is really nice. It's just going to make a nice level surface, so when the seats are up, she can walk around and stuff in here or move around. It's also trimmed out in this aluminum, which just kind of acts as a nice accent there. So let's remove these seats and we'll show you the rest of the floor and show you what it looks like. Level surface. So next thing we're going to right here is these drawers. And these drawers pull out right to the chairs here, and you can see here you got plenty of storage in here, real nice deep storage. And these also act as the bed support. These actual supports here hold 500 pounds, so we can actually flip this bed over, and we'll show you that, and then that makes the full bed so you can sleep in here. All right guys, so let's show you how easy this bed comes together. You got your full bed. Easy as that. All right guys, so now we got our bed. Nice comfy bed, 4-inch mattress. This is like really durable canvas material also, so perfect for camping and all that type of stuff. Now that we're in here, I'll show you the side storage. First thing we have are these pull-outs, which are nice and deep. These things will hold just a ton of stuff. This one actually has a little hideaway cubby that down here you can put, jumper cables, your jack, kind of any tools you have for the vehicle, and it's all hidden away. And this thing just goes right back in there. Real simple. But yeah, these are nice deep cubbies. Got one there, one here, and you got a little one right here. Then up here, you just got these bungees that kind of hold this open area. We tweeded this in this light gray tweed, and these bungees just kind of hold everything in. Makes for a real nice open storage area. And then we just integrated the old speaker right back into the side storage here, and then this little hanger thing that we put there, that's from the headliner. So they can still use it and do what they want to do. All right, so on this side, you basically have the same thing. You got some storage here. Also, we have these nice cables that kind of leave this, as a little rest area for coffee or something. In here, we have a Goal Zero, a 1,000 watt Goal Zero, and it fits perfectly in this little storage box. And then over here is just a little tiny cubby just for small stuff. And then obviously up here we got bungees, and we got the open storage again. You got your little hanger holder, and of course another speaker. So let's move on to the ceiling and we'll show you that part. So here's our ceiling. As you can see, we did it in these maple slats, which are spaced about 1/2 inch apart. These slats are really cool. The maple looks really awesome. This one here looks like a topographical map. So really cool to look at. We also have the 4 LED lights in here, which light up the area really nicely. And of course we have our 12-volt fan, which we actually have a how-to video on this fan, and we can show you guys kind of how we installed it and what we did to waterproof it. So, and the fan's great. It puts in a lot of air, so really works well for these type of builds. So next thing we should do is we'll show you how we wired it up, and let's show you the switchboard, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're here at the switchboard. As you can see, we can power the lights right here. We can power the fan, the USB socket. This also gives you your voltage of the Goal Zero, which that does the same thing. You also have your USB sockets on this side, as well as your 12-volt plug right there. We also have the lights on a dimmer, so if you want, reading light, you can do that, or if you want full light, you can just turn them up to full brightness. So that's pretty easy. It's all wired into this 12-volt plug right here, and that powers everything right from this switch. So let's move on to the back pullouts, and we'll check that out too. All right, guys, so we're at the back of the vehicle here. We got this big drawer here. This is just an open storage, just to stick any kind of camping gear, whatever you're taking out with you. It's nice and deep, and we got 36 inches of room here. So this will hold quite a bit of stuff. Let's show you the other one here. So in this drawer box, we have a full kitchen. This has a countertop, it has a sink, faucet, and you got your cooktop underneath here with the light. So let's go ahead and throw this together and we'll show you how it goes. And there you go, you have a kitchen. All right, guys, so now you can see that we have the whole sink put together. We have a USB faucet on this side. It's magnetic, kind of sticks right there. We stuck this on this side so you can kind of fill up a pot of water if you want to. Stick it right on there, and then when it's time to do dishes, just turn it right around, and there you go. You're probably wondering why it's facing this way. You probably haven't seen other builds that we've done, and they always face that way. This one, in this case, she's a White River Raptor, like I said before, so she always has a big trailer on this side. So in this case, we kind of had to stick it on this side so she can use it without taking the trailer off. She can just turn it kind of to the side and have it out there. Up here, we also have a light bar. This has a USB light that's pretty bright at night. And then we also have, of course, the 2-burner stove here with plenty of room when you slide it over, plenty of room for the 1-gallon little green bottles there of propane. And then if you want to chop vegetables or something, you can do it on this side. And of course, this sink pushes all the way down, and you can use the sink, fill it up, wash dishes, whatever you want to do. So that's pretty much the sink, and thanks for watching the video, and like and subscribe, and check us out in the next one. Thanks.